Berta.
Hey, Kale, say hi.
I work with
Show the puppy.
Peggy's
This one's like trying to walk.
medic by trade, but since we come to Ontario, she's been having difficulty getting back into the field.
You can hold listen to the honey.
Yeah.
She's trying to get down.
Just pick her up. Pick him up gently. There you go.
Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful.
This one's a girl.
I want them all.
Which ones are
No.
the girls, Kale?
This one's the girl.
And which is the other one? That one right there.
Which one? That one with the smaller head.
These
I
two.
can see her head smaller.
These are girls. Yeah.
Careful, Kale.
Be careful when you're sitting down.
This is the future mother of my future.
Honestly. Oh, they have really sharp nails.
Oh, I
Yeah,
Oh, yes, they do.
and this boy,
Yeah, they should.
and that boy, that boy kind of scratched my leg. Oh, look at some of this. Oh my god.
As a puppy, you can't
Look, they can't hold on to anything,
Little
bro.
sharp points off. Just even.
This one's trying to stand. Oh, they're crawling on me.